Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Frozen party decorations. And this will be so much fun for all of our Frozen fans. If you have kids that love Frozen and you need some ideas, I hope you enjoy these. Please stay tuned to the very end. You don't want to miss it. My sweet Amia has her Amia moments. She's 6 years old. She's so fun. Stay tuned to the end as she gives her take on her favorite Frozen moments. You don't want to miss it. Let's go! Okay, so here we have our Frozen decorations. We have a silver happy birthday letter balloon banner. These are Frozen balloons. This is a happy birthday Frozen banner. These are some snowflake balloons. These are hanging snowflake decorations. And in here we have a Frozen 2 backdrop and some Frozen hanging squirrels. Okay, let's get started with some balloons. If you don't have a balloon pump, it's okay to just use the straw that comes with the balloons to blow it up. You just stick the straw in to break the seal and you just manually blow it up. To string the balloons, you simply just take the ribbon that it comes with. There are little holes at the top and you're just pushing it through the holes. I like starting with the last letters first. It makes it easier for me to start with the last letters and then work my way to the first letters. Okay, so now we are making some balloon flowers. To make balloon flowers, you pretty much have a balloon clip. You are simply sliding the balloon through the slits in the clip. You can either do 4 or 5 balloons. And once you add all the balloons around the clip, to add your final balloon, you put it through the front and you slide it through the slits in the back of the clip. Here's our first wall option. In the event you only have one accent wall, then this is an idea that you can use for that. And then later on you'll see some alternative options if you have another wall to use or if you just need some more ideas. I forgot there was a Frozen banner in my daughter's room, so I definitely wanted to add that to the look, so I had to take down the balloon flower to put the banner up first. Hey friends, so this is the second wall option. This is a Frozen backdrop that I'm using, and then I'm going to add some additional decorations to it. You can use this as an alternative for a different idea, or if you do have another wall and you want some ideas to decorate it, you can use this as well. Just another idea that can add some more fun for your Frozen birthday party. And please know, it does not have to be perfect when you put up the backdrop. Just do your best. Whatever you do will be just fine. As you can see, I'm adding balloon flowers to either sides of the backdrop. And now to add some additional decor, I am adding streamers. And then once you see with these streamers, what I'm going to do is just simply twist them and then tape them a little bit further down the wall. And I will do this to both sides of the flower balloons. I'm going to add the streamers and twist them. And now I'm going to add a balloon stand. It's so easy to use. You do have to blow up additional balloons for the balloon stand. And then I add the balloons to the balloon cups that it comes with. And then I place the balloon cups in the balloon straws, and the balloon straws go into the balloon stand to create a beautiful balloon stand, which is a great alternative to using helium balloons. It's reusable and it works great for any party. Hey friends, I forgot to tell you that I did have an Elsa life-size cutout stand that I did add. I actually had this from a previous birthday party for my daughter. And right here I'm adding the hanging swirls and snowflakes. If you have an entryway into your main area where you're having your party and your decorations, you can utilize it really well, and it gives it such a great look. Here it is, the final results. This is Frozen Party decorations. We're getting ready for the moment you have been waiting for. Here is my sweet Amia with her Amia moments. Enjoy.
Well, I love Frozen 2 because Frozen 1. I like Frozen 1, but I didn't really, but I like Frozen 2 the most. I like Frozen 2 the most because they have Elsa and Anna, but they have different clothes, and their clothes at Walmart, just like those. And I love about Frozen 2 that they do have like 8 or 5 songs in there. Just do the next right thing. when it all comes next. When it's clear that everything is necessary again. I like that song. Well, you know, the main character is actually on an Elsa in Olaf. I know Kristoff's Ben is in the part, and I love all about them. And they even have, and then that's cool that Elsa got a horse that goes in water and snow and ice. And then Olaf fell to the way, but he came back like snowman. I love Frozen 2.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you next week and have a royal day.